Okay, the last set of questions come from page 462, and these are kind of a little different, so we're going to go through them pretty slowly. Find the compound interest earned. Okay, so we're going to be doing only the interest, so we need to find the summative amount in order to solve this. Earned by $1,300 invested at 13.5%. So this is my principal, this is my rate, and it's compounded monthly. So our M is 12 for 7 years. So T is 7. So before we find our I, we need to find our S. S equals 1,300 or 1,300 times 1 plus our rate goes over our M, 13.5% over 12 raised to the, well, let's see, we have 12 and 7, so we need to multiply them together. 12 times 7, 84th power. So that means that my summative amount, if I'm putting this in the calculator, 1300, open parentheses, 1 plus fraction, 13.5% over 12 raised to the 84th power. That means that my summative amount is 3,327 dirhams and 6 fils. But this is not our final answer. In order to find the final answer, we need to do the interest. And the interest is made by taking the final amount, 3,327.06, and subtracting the principal amount, or 1,300, which should give us an interest rate of 3,327.06 minus 1,300, 2,027.06 dirhams. Okay, so in order to do this, even though it doesn't say it, we have to find S before we can find I. So let's look at one more problem from page 462 before we call this finished. Okay, Badria puts 1,000 into a savings account at the birth of her daughter. Okay, so this is her principal. If the account earns interest at 6.5%, compounded monthly, so M is 12, how much money will be in the account when her daughter is 18 years old? So the time is 18 years. So we're going to be looking for the summative amount. So the summative amount is 1,000, and we have to take 1 plus our rate, 6.5%, divided by our M, which is 12. And all of this is going to be raised to T times M. So let's put that in our calculator real quick. 18 times 12. And we get that it should be raised to the 216th power. So let's see what the final amount in the account should be. 1,000, open parentheses, 1 plus fraction, 6.5% over 12, raised to the 216th power. So she should have 3,211 dirhams and 84 fils when her daughter turns 18. And these are the selected questions.